Welcome to my tutorial on how to upload songs to your Smule Songbook for free. Let's get started. This is what you're looking for on the website of Smule. Let me show you. This is the website. You press that little arrow and it will bring you to the songbook. Select it and it gives you a little bit more information on what to do. Smule actually has a little tutorial on how to add songs. It's on YouTube. Let me just slide it over there. It's called How to Add a Song to Sync's Songbook. It's 2 minutes and it gives you the basics on what you need to add a song. And I've listed them here as well. You need an MP3 file, you need lyrics, and also an image. The last two are easy, they're just simple Google searches, no problem at all. Where it gets tricky is where to find free MP3 files that you can use. They need to be tracks without vocals, instrumental, karaoke, and you can find them on YouTube and also in your library. First, YouTube. YouTube has an enormous amount of videos, karaoke tracks, instrumental tracks. All you have to do is search for karaoke channel and you will find a lot of content. They even have an Elvis channel, which is my personal favorite. What do we do when we are on YouTube? We of course search for a song and then share and copy the link of the video that we found that we want. Let's say we wanted Elton John's Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word, and we just enter that in the search box and we get this nice video. It even has the key, the time, doesn't really matter. As long as it's instrumental. So we have to share it. This is in Dutch. It means share. There we go. And then we press copy. We have to make an MP3 file out of it. Again, we go to Google. We Google search YouTube MP3 converter. Well, there's a whole list of programs that do it. Just pick one, open the website, and then we have to just paste the link and download the MP3 file. It's easy as that. So, which one do we have here? FLV2 MP3. That's fine. We paste the link that we just copied from YouTube, and then we press convert to MP3, and it starts working. We just want the MP3 file. And there it is. On the downloads, we now have Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word by Elton John. And that is all there is to it. We now have our MP3 file. So we have one more place, the library. In the library you can search for the sheet music department or just use their computer and search for audition songs for singers or backing tracks. And then you can find books like this, audition songs for female singers' favorite pop songs. It comes with a CD, and that CD you can pop into your computer and convert it to an MP3 file using iTunes. Let's go to the website of the Seattle Library, just to give you an idea. Here it is. Just type in audition songs for singers, and we'll find a number of books you can just pick up. And this is also a way to get free MP3 files to upload to Smule. Hope you enjoyed it.